Hey everyone, I'm Austin, and today we're going to walk through how to create custom email parsing rules in PagerTree using YAML. This is super useful when your monitoring tool only sends emails, like in this case, we're dealing with status alerts from an alerting system that says things like monitor down or up in the subject line. And we want PagerTree to automatically create an alert when it sees down and resolve it when it sees up, while using the monitor ID as a unique identifier so the same monitor doesn't create duplicate alerts. First, make sure you're logged into your PagerTree account as an admin or integrator. From the top nav bar, click Integrations. If you already have an email integration set up for these alerts, find it in the list and click to edit it. If not, click New Integration. Scroll down and select Email. Give it a name like Custom Email Alerts. Once you're in the integration settings, scroll down, you'll see a toggle, Enable Custom Definition. Make sure you flip that to On or True. Right below it is a big text box labeled YAML Custom Definition. This is where we'll paste our YAML rules. Right now it's probably empty or has a default example. We're going to replace it with our custom logic. Here's the YAML we're going to use. I'll explain it line by line. We start with the dash 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 and then rules. That's the top level structure. The first rule matches when the subject contains colon space down, case insensitive, that appears in the email subject. If it matches, we run type create, that opens a new alert. We set the title to the full email subject and the description to the email body. Note, the triple braces, this preserves any HTML formatting in the email body. And most importantly, we extract the third-party ID using a regular expression on the subject. It looks for the monitor ID : followed by the value until a space or semicolon. That pulls out something like SEA-123, which is a unique per monitor and stays the same on up messages. The second rule is almost identical but matches : up instead and runs type resolve with the same third-party ID extraction. So when the up email arrives, PagerTree finds the open alert with that monitor ID and closes it automatically. This prevents duplicate alerts and gives a clean, open, resolved pairing. If your subject looks slightly different, maybe no colon or different wording, you can tweak the regular expression. Now, to test, forward or send a sample down email to your PagerTree email address. You can find it in the integration details under Endpoint. Wait a few seconds, PagerTree should ingest it, match the first rule, create an alert with the monitor ID as a third-party ID. Then send an up version with the same monitor ID in the subject. It should match the second rule and resolve that exact alert. If nothing happens, check the log section of the integration. PagerTree shows why rules did or didn't match, which is great for debugging regular expressions. A couple of pro tips. Use the same unique field, here monitor ID, for both the create and resolve. It's the magic that makes the deduplication work. You can add more actions like acknowledge or even set other fields like urgency and tags in the create step. Check the official PagerTree docs at pagertree.com/docs/integration-guides/email for all the available helpers like regexmatch, itamat, etc. Thanks for watching, happy alerting, and I'll see you in the next one.